In this problem, they give us this matrix plus this matrix equals this matrix. Now, just starting here, this is a 2 by 2, this is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 2. So the idea is this plus this equals this number. So right off the bat, we can say, well, a plus 4 is 12. So some number plus 4 is 12. So that means a has to equal 8, because 8 plus 4 is going to give us 12. So following that same logic, 6 plus some number c is equal to 2, or negative 2, sorry. So that means negative 8 is the number that works there, because 6 plus negative 8 is going to give us negative 2. Over here, 8 plus 3 gives us d. So that means d has to equal 11. And then some number plus 6 equals 10. So that means k has to equal 4. So these are the values of a, c, d, and k. Now, they then tell us the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is defined as, here we have x, y, z, w, and we take x times y minus y times x times w times y minus z. It says determine the value of this determinant. Now we know the values of a, c, d, and k. A is 8, c is negative 8, d is 11, k is 4. Alright, so we want to figure out what this is. Now they gave us the rule. So the top left and the bottom right numbers we multiply. So 8 times 4 minus, and then the bottom left and top right. So that's 11 times negative 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Now you have to be careful because we're subtracting, but there's a negative in there. So this is going to be plus 88. So 32 plus 88 is 120. There's our answer, and we're done.